Hi guys, just Safi here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are starting a new series all about the science of natural hair, and the first video in this series is all about what to look for when buying products. Now we're going to go through a complete wash day, and we're going to break down what you need to look for in those products for your hair. I filmed this video before and I went to go edit it and the file was lost. So I'm redoing this video again a couple days later. And yeah, but we're still going to get into it and really talk about what to look for when buying products. Especially for those who are newly natural, who are just navigating, you know, the natural hair game and trying to figure out what's really best for them. Just to give you a little bit of background, I am a medium porosity girl. That means that I fall in between the high porosity and the low porosity, which means that, you know, I have attributes of both. So my hair is a little tricky to navigate at times because, you know, I have elements of both porosities, but it is something that I'm learning. It's a process, and we'll talk about porosity in another video, so I don't want to get too much into that. But just so you know, and I have finer hair, just so you know as well. But let's get started with today's video. Make sure that you hit like and subscribe, because I'm judging you if you're not subscribed and you're watching this, and become a part of the MVP family. And if you have any questions, link them or let me know down below what your questions are, and I will make sure that I answer everything. So let's get started. Hey guys, so let's get started. We're gonna first go through a complete wash day. So starting with shampoo. Now with shampoo, if you are not following the curly girl method, then you will be incorporating some sort of shampoo clarifier into your routine. Now when you're looking for a shampoo, a lot of times people aren't really specific in what they want. They either want one of two things: something that's super clarifying, or they want something that's more on the lines of a moisturizing shampoo. So you have to decide whether you want maximum clarification or you want more of a moisturizing shampoo, something that's not going to completely strip your hair. And if you are using a more harsher shampoo in your hair, it's best to pre-poo beforehand. Pre-pooing is the process of adding oils to your hair to help also with the detangle process and to help add absorbing oils into the hair, so that when you go to shampoo, the shampoo isn't necessarily drying your hair completely out. I pre-poo, and that's what works best for me, because then I know the shampoo is not completely stripping everything out of my hair, and I'm still able to get a good wash without it being completely dry after I shampoo. Now, that's shampoo. Second is conditioner. Some people skip this step and may go straight from shampoo to a deep conditioner, but if you are using a conditioner, you want to make sure that you find a conditioner with a lot of slip. The slip will help with the excuse me, will help with the detangling process. It'll help to get into the hair, and it'll be able to help you to do your detangle process, whether that be with a wide tooth comb, Denman brush, tangle teaser sort of brush, whatever tools you use, your fingers. You want to be able to have that conditioner to help you gain some moisture back into your hair, and also that's going to provide slip so that you can detangle easily. Now, third is your deep conditioners. Now, there's two types of deep conditioners. There's a protein and there's moisturizing. Protein deep conditioners are used to help to fix those broken bonds that are broken within your hair. So if you're dealing with a lot of breakage, split ends, a lot of damage, you may need to use a protein deep conditioner to help build back those bonds. Now, protein deep conditioners are not for everybody. Some people can take the protein, and some people's hair does not do well with the protein. So you have to decide if your hair does well with the protein or not. Now, if protein deep conditioners aren't really what you need and you just need something to add more moisture into your hair, then you're going to use a moisturizing deep conditioner. You're going to use a deep conditioner that easily penetrates into your hair, that is able to give your hair softness and also give your hair the right amount of moisture, especially for your ends, because your ends are the oldest part of your hair. So those are the two deep conditioners, and those are the deep conditioners that you will be using depending on what your needs are for your hair. Now, next, after deep conditioners are your styling products. Now we're going to start with your leave-ins. Leave-in is another product along with your deep conditioner that will help to add moisture to your hair. You can do a final detangle with that, and you're going to be restoring moisture in your hair as well. So you want to make sure that you see shine, that you see complete moisturization. Not only does your hair look moisturized, it feels moisturized. It's soft and it's shiny, and it feels like there is moisture being absorbed into your strands. Now, along with that, people also will go in and use some sort of cream. Cream is to add along with that, and it also, the creams may help with definition. So they will add moisture in your hair and give you a bit of definition as well within your hair. So me, for example, in the colder months, I do both the leave-in and the cream, because I want to be able to add the most maximum amount of moisture in my hair in the winter months, because that's when my hair is the driest. Now, in the summertime, I just usually will go in with my leave-in and skip the cream, because I don't need as much moisture and my hair's not being as dried out as it would be in the colder months. Now, after your leave-in and your cream, you may go in with a styling gel. Now, some people do a method of LOC, which is your leave-in, your oils, and your cream. Or that's if you're following the curly girl method. And if not, some people may do the LCO. You leave in your cream and then your oil. Me, I am more of an LCO. So I do my leave-ins, I do my cream, my styling product, and then my oil to seal it in. Now, that's what I like to do for my hair. And with my gels, I like to have a gel that is going to define my hair and it's going to work well with my moisturizers, my leave-ins and my creams, and not beat up on my hair, but give me the maximum amount of definition to my hair and to my wash and goes. Now, it all depends on what you like. Some people like a more stronger gel and other people want a light gel. It all depends on your needs, what you like, and what you really want is what you're going to be looking for in a gel. Now, I just want a gel that is going to give me hold. So if I do have a cast, which is a hold in my hair, a strong cast, that's okay with me. As long as it mixed well with my products, I didn't get any beading of the products when I mix them together in my fingers. I didn't get any beading. Everything mixed well together and it mixed well within my hair. Then I don't have a problem with the gel. Now, there are certain gels that I use more so in the summertime than I use in the wintertime. In the wintertime, I can go in with a little bit of a lighter gel because I don't need that super strong hold. But in the fall time, I don't need that gel that is going to be super strong of a hold. In the spring and summertime, I go in with a stronger holding because of the humidity. So that's what I look for when I go for a gel. And the last thing you're going to be looking for are oils. Now, there are certain oils which are oils that penetrate into the hair and seal in all that moisture that you put in with your leave-ins and your oil. And then there are other other oils which are used for other things as well. I'll put a list of your sealing oils on the screen somewhere, so you'll see the kinds of oils that you can use in the end to seal everything, to seal in that moisture. Also, oils can be used to break a gel cast. If your hair has a gel cast, you can use a little bit of oil to break that, to soften the hair up a little bit. But me, I don't mind a gel cast. I use Eco Styler gel. I've used Wetline. I don't mind a cast because I know that at least I'm going to get the maximum amount of days with my wash and go. But those are the things that you are looking for when purchasing products. Make sure that these products fall into every one of your needs. If a product is not falling into your needs and what you're really looking for, then that's not the product for you. You want to make sure that you're getting the most maximum benefits out of these products. And every product serves a different purpose for your hair, and you want to make sure that that product is really working the way that it's supposed to in your hair and with your hair. So if you have any questions, let me know. Hit me down in the comment section and follow me on my social medias. It's in the description box. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.